I never thought a simple viewpoint could change how I see the world, but Horseshoe Bend did. After a short hike, you arrive at this edge. Literally, the wind is gentle. The sun begins to paint the rocks gold, and all you can do is stand still. There are no emotional guardrails here, just you, the vastness, and that feeling of being exactly where you're meant to be. And in that moment, I realized something. Sometimes we need to step back to truly see the beauty of the path we've taken. This was Horseshoe Bend, but more than a place, it was a pause, a new perspective, and yes, the kind of moment I want to keep chasing.